I'm going to show you how to fix the fatal error crash. So for the first method, you should go to the search and type in Nvidia. Make sure to open the Nvidia app. Once done, make sure to sign up with an account and log in with your existing one. Now go to the settings. After that, make sure to turn off the Nvidia overlay. After that, go to the drivers icon, and from here make sure to download the latest driver that you will find right here. For the next method, go to the search and then select device manager. Open this up. It will pop up like this, so search for display adapters and select this side arrow. After that, go to your graphics card, right click on it and select update driver. Select the first option, click on close. Next, go to the Windows icon and then type in settings. You'll be redirected to the home page, so select Windows Update. After that, make sure to install the latest available updates. Even if you do have failed or stuck updates, you should first of all select retry all. After that, go to update history, deselect the first two. After that, click on recovery and then select reinstall now. For the next method, you should go to the Windows taskbar and then go to task manager. Make sure to keep these percentages of the CPU and memory under 100%. Go to the search and type in Steam. After that, just right click on the application running and select end task. Now wait for a moment. After that, relaunch the Steam once again. Go to the Steam logo top left corner and select settings. Now go to in-game and make sure to switch off the overlay like this. Go to downloads. After that, select clear cache and click on confirm. Now go to storage and make sure to select the right drive that you have the game on. Select these three dots. After that, click repair library. The issue should be gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.